Hey there, I'm Lynn Vitale. Welcome to another episode of my chiropractic journey. I need to confess something to you. My husband and I are having a little marital problem in the bedroom. Let's see if Dr. Will can help me with that.
Dealing with coronavirus mania?
Yes, I need you to fix me from coronavirus.
It's your best defense.
I have something else.
Tell me.
We're having a problem in the bedroom, and I heard chiropractic can help.
What kind of problem?
I snore.
Well, that's an innocuous problem.
And it's not just like congestion, it's like
Yeah.
anytime. And it's been since my second child.
Mm-hmm.
And I can do it with my mouth shut, and I can do
Right.
it on my side. And I saw that possibly, that can be leading to that lack of tone in those tissues.
Yeah, for sure. And as the neck corrects, the nerves of the neck affect the sinuses. Right, that's where snoring comes from. It's like disrupted airflow through the sinuses.
Right.
So we'll see. We'll keep an eye as your neck corrects. A lot of people it gets better, some people it doesn't.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens with you.
Because I was like, not overweight, no visceral fat,
Right.
no sleep apnea, so
Right.
tick, 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 not a problem, but maybe nerve impingement.
Yeah.
So we're kind of hoping that will resolve.
Yeah, me too.
The better he sleeps, the better everything is.
Yeah, that's for sure.
All right.
Come on down. Yeah, your adjustment is your best defense for the coronavirus.
Yep, that's why we're here.
Strengthens your immune system. There's some great articles you can Google about the 1918 flu epidemic and how, because back then chiropractic was pretty young, it was like 20 years old. So most people went to chiropractors for like health problems, not just back pain. So they played a major role in taking care of people in a lot of the major cities. And they had fantastic success rate where either people didn't get it or if they did get it, the death rate was significantly less, like a fraction of the people who were under medical care.
I want to post that.
Yeah, yeah, it was pretty cool. You can Google around. I mean, up to 50 times less death. I'm trying to get us back to those days where it's just a regular thing to go to the chiropractor for any problem. And start to work with healing from within. Yeah. Good. Turn towards me.
Well, that's why we're here too. We want you to be our primary.
Okay. My pleasure. Turn the other way. Okay,
I let off a lot of gas easily right there. It's sore.
Yeah, I feel it. It's a little higher today.
Ooh.
Amazing.
Yeah, I woke up with a little tension in here, so it's just crying out a little. Could have been the yoga.
Cross that way. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. Hands on your tummy.
That one was easy.
Yeah, you're coming along. I like what I feel. The joints are moving much more easily. The misalignments are shifting. Good news. Come on up.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. That should do it.
That's
No
it.
more snoring tonight.
I hope so.